Sitz bath is really very effective for Bartholin cyst. Number 1, it reduces inflammation and pain. Number 2, it helps the duct to open. And number 3, very important, that it helps infected cyst or general cyst to rupture on its own, which every patient wants that it dissolve. So I think you must try this Sitz bath. This is really helpful. But most of the time patient asks question that how long we can take this and what should we use in Sitz bath. So in this video I am going to clear all the confusion about the Sitz bath. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kanchan Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a qualified Ayurveda gynecologist. So let's start this video. So listen carefully, because most of the time patients take Sitz bath but not in a proper way. So you have to take one small tub. Yes, fill it 3 to 4 inches of warm water. Yes, water should not be very hot, it should be warm. Now you have to sit in this water for 15 minutes. Okay, this is the proper time of Sitz bath. What you have to add, that is the main thing. Some patients use betadine, some Dettol, but according to my practice and experience, alum really works amazing. So add 1 teaspoon of alum powder in this water and then take Sitz bath. Why I am saying alum? Because alum is a natural astringent and immediately relieves your pain, your inflammation. Yes, so this is the way. You can take twice or thrice in a day if there is lots of swelling, but when swelling vanish, then you can only take once in a day. So this is how you take Sitz bath, and if you think now you are okay, then you can quit it. So how long you can take? This is the most common question. So for 2 to 3 months you can easily take, there is no harm. And alum also didn't harm your vaginal area. So this is perfectly safe. You can take easily Sitz bath like this. So if you are facing any kind of problem, any kind of issue with your Bartholin cyst, don't forget to take Sitz bath. It will definitely relieve 50% of your problem. So I hope you like this video. Everything I have tried to clear in this video. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. If you want to contact with me, this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact with me. Thanks for watching my video.